Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be doing a super cute design inspired by the M&M characters. Let's get cracking. Right, I've already buffed the nail and I'm going to do this character in a gorgeous blue that we've got out, which is called Sable Sky. I think it's going to look really nice on that. So I'm going to apply 2 thin layers all over the nail before we start painting our character. Meshes my gloves, eh? I love this color. So opaque. Beautiful. Right, so I've got both layers cured. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that tacky layer off because I'm going to paint with white on top and I don't want the eyes to kind of, mix in with the blue. So I've got some Snow White, Cerise Black, and my favorite red, Firecracker. Firecracker on the palette, and I'm going to start painting our design. So to start painting the smiley face, I'm going to go ahead and just paint a couple of large eyes. So I'm going to just move the product around and kind of paint 2 big circles. And then another one on the other side. Which M&Ms is your favorite, Drew?
Ooh, I do like the crispy ones, actually.
Yeah, the crispy ones are my favorite. I don't like the normal ones. I find them a little bit too, hard.
Oh, I do like a good peanut one.
Do you?
Yeah. Worst ones are just the plain chocolate, I think.
Yeah, I love the crispy ones. I think they're the best. So I've got 2 gorgeous eyes over here. And now I'm going to just swap onto Cerise Black. And I'm going to start outlining and painting the mouth. It's going to be like an open mouth, I suppose. It's going to be quite big. And I'm going to fill it in as well. So I've got the mouth over here. And now I'm going to go ahead and paint the eyebrows. So again, I'm just going to do a little flick on here. And then another one on the other side. Probably slightly higher, just like so. And I'm going to pop this into the lamp. So we've got this layer cured over here. So I'm going to go in again with Snow White and add some detail in the mouth area. So I'm going to just paint his kind of teeth in a way. So I'm just going to press the white on the upper section. And I've got the teeth here. And then I'll do the same on the bottom section. Just add some. It's got a nice smile.
Lovely set of pearly whites.
Yeah, I was going to say.
You shouldn't from eating all that chocolate.
And I'm going to add a little tongue in the middle. But then again, we're going to have to leave a little bit of space between the black and the white. So I'm just going to do that. That just saves you time. So I've got that done. And now I'm going to go back into Cerise Black. And I'm going to paint the midsection of the eye. I love this design. I mean, you can have so many different colors on your nails and different facial expressions, you know. They're quite cute as well. So it's like...
Yeah, it would look really good with a few of them together. All shouting at each other.
So I'm going to outline the eyes as well. So I've got both eyes outlined now. Then I'm going to add a little bit more detail here. And I'm going to pop this into the lamp. Lovely. So I've got him cured over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of like highlight here and there. And then we've got our Eminem nail ready. To be fair, if you wanted to go the extra mile, you know, you could kind of do the letter M underneath as well. But I really just like the character face. So I'm going to leave it at that. So I'm just adding a little bit of light. Just like so. And then I'm going to add a little white dot over here. How cute. Right, I'm going to pop it into the lamp and then we'll top coat it for you guys. Okay, so I've got, I don't know, what can we name him? Manny. I haven't got a clue. I'm gonna wipe him off because I want to remove any of the tacky layer that's underneath, because sometimes if you apply a matte top coat directly on a sticky layer, it blends in. It doesn't mix that well and you can get some streaks. So I'm just gonna wipe the nail and then I'm gonna apply our ultra matte top coat. I think it looks really good with matte. Yeah. Definitely. And there you have it, guys, our Eminem nail ready. I think it's super cute. You can do it in so many different colors, and you can also use different facial expressions on each finger, so it's quite fun to look at. But yeah, all the products that we use in these videos are listed in the description bar, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you for watching.